Patricia Dzimbiri was born on 25 September 1964. She was First Lady of Malawi and then wife of former President Bakili Muluzi. Her parents, David and Sylvia Fukulani, were from Chimpigizo village in traditional authority in Samala in Balaka district. Although the couple had been married in 1987, and when Muluzi was running for presidency, she lived secretly and out of the public eye. After Bakili Muluzi became president in 1994, she lived in a presidential residence near Zomba. She made her first public appearance a day before the couple's second wedding. She had 5 children with Bakili Muluzi, twins Karuchi and Edina, born in 1988, followed by Zake, born in 1989, and then Luce, born in 1990. Finally, with Tiamike, born in 1992. She was married to Muluzi in 1987 and became his second wife. She was a school teacher. Dzimbiri represented Balaka West in the National Assembly of Malawi from 2014 to 2019. On 10 June 2024, Dzimbiri was among the 10 people who disappeared after an aircraft carrying Vice President Saulos Chilima disappeared from the radar in Chikangawa Forest Reserve while on their way to attend a funeral of former government minister Raf Kasambara, prompting a search and rescue operation. Their aircraft was found to have crashed the next day, with authorities confirming the deaths of Dzimbiri and everyone else on board. May her soul rest in eternal peace.
Zaulandireni zimu wanga